Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you 7 different quick and easy hairstyles for all of your holiday get-togethers this season. Some are a bit fancier, some are more casual, so hopefully one of these styles suits whatever look you're going for. Number 1 is this elegant low pony with braids. I'm starting with my hair styled curly for all of these styles, which adds volume and texture and makes your hair easier to work with. First, section your hair with a tail comb at your ears on each side of your head and just keep that front half of your hair forward in front of your shoulders, or clip it out of the way if that's easiest for you. Then you're going to pull the back half of your hair into a low ponytail at the base of your head and secure with a small elastic. Next, braid the front sections into regular 3-strand braids, and you can decide how much hair you want to leave out of the braids for some loose curly pieces at the front. When you get to the bottom of each braid, hold on to the bottom with one hand and use your other hand to loosen and spread out each section of the braid. This is sometimes called pancaking. This makes the braid look thicker and prettier. Then you can either tie an elastic in the bottom or throw a clip in it for now. Just make sure it's a strong enough clip that your braid won't come undone. Once your braids are done, bring the ends around to the back of your head and tie them together with an elastic. Then twist the braids to create a loop and pull the ponytail through that loop. This will crisscross the braids around the ponytail and hide the elastic, and it looks way more elaborate than it really is. Then you can recurl any of your loose pieces that need it and make any final adjustments. And here is the finished look. Number 2 is this space bun look, which is more casual but really cute and fun depending on your event. Start by parting your hair down the middle. Next, you're going to section out 2 small ponytails with the top sections of your hair on either side and tie them with an elastic, leaving out whatever loose pieces of hair you want to keep at the front. Once you have your 2 ponytails, use your fingers to split your hair in the middle just above the elastic. Then flip the ponytails forward through that space so that you have a twisted V going into each elastic. Then you're going to reach back into that space to pull up the top of the ponytail back up through the split to form a loop that sticks up, and the rest of the ponytail should still be laying down the back of your head. Then you can spread out that loop until you're happy with the shape and pin it down on either side with bobby pins. Finally, you can recurl any loose pieces you left out, and here is the finished look. Number 3 is probably the easiest style in this video. It's basically just a messy top knot, but elevated in a way that looks like an intentional hairstyle. Pull your hair into a ponytail on top of your head. I find this easiest by flipping my head forward. And then you'll secure with an elastic, but pull the pony only partway through so that you're left with a looped bun on the top, and the rest of the hair hanging down out of the elastic. Then split the hair that's left hanging out of the bun in half, and pull the 2 sections forward, securing the ends together with an elastic. So you should have this space in the middle, and then you're going to twist that section and flip the loop you made up and over the bun, so that there are crisscrossed sections sitting in front of it. That's basically it. From here you can mess with it with your fingers, pull out any loose pieces and recurl them, and add bobby pins if you want to secure anything down. I used a bobby pin to hide the little end of the ponytail from the two sections being tied together at the ends. And here is the finished look. Number 4 is this edgy faux hawk updo, which is probably the most difficult style in this video, but it's still not too challenging and it's way easier than it looks. You're going to start by sectioning your hair into 4 ponytails down the back of your head, starting at the top and working your way down. If you're liking this video so far, please hit that subscribe button. It helps me out tremendously as a full-time content creator and stay-at-home mom. I like to pull some loose sections out in the front, and also loosen the sides of each ponytail for a little more volume. Next, you're going to basically tie each ponytail into a very loose knot, which will create a messy sort of bun, and then you can use bobby pins to secure them into place. Doing it as a knot where the ends of your curls are kind of pulled through the middle gives these loose sections that add a lot of texture to the look. There's really no wrong way to do it. You just want to make sure that your ponytail elastics are covered by the hair, and it will look like you spent an hour at the salon. And again, you can recurl those loose pieces you pulled out at the front. And here is the finished look. Number 5 is this little bun half updo. This one I think is versatile and could be dressed up or down. Start by pulling the top section of your hair back into a ponytail. I chose not to leave any loose pieces out of the pony this time, but you absolutely can do that if you want to. Then you're going to pull the pony only partway through the elastic to create a looped bun like we've done before. And then, like we did with the space buns, you're going to use your fingers to split the hair in the middle just above your elastic and create a little gap that you can push the bun under and up through, which will create this little twisted detail, but also helps to support the bun to sit a little bit more upright, which I think looks super cute. And here's the finished look. Number 6 is this really simple low bun. For this one, you're going to section your hair back into a low ponytail, leaving out whatever loose pieces you want to keep in the front. We're going to do yet another ponytail where you only pull it partway through to create a little loop bun. Then you're going to split the pieces that are left hanging down into 2 sections and loosely wrap them each up and over the bun, pinning them into place with bobby pins. You could also do the same thing we did with the top bun and tie the 2 ends together with an elastic, twist them and flip them up and over the bun for something a little more secure. Recurl the pieces you left out if you need to, and this is the finished look. Number 7 is this twisted crown half updo. Start by sectioning out a ponytail at the crown of your head. Next, you're going to create the twists. The way to do this so that they don't come unraveled is to divide the hair into 2 sections, twist those sections forwards towards your face, and then wrap them together backwards away from your face. When you get to the ends, you can secure them with a clip, and as you can see, it's not all coming unraveled like it may have done when you've tried this in the past. Once you have a twist done on both sides, bring the ends together at the back of your head and secure them with an elastic. Then you're going to flip the 2 sections over to create a gap like we've done before, and pull the ponytail through that gap. You could do this exact same thing with braids instead of twists. I just wanted to show you another variation since we did some braids already. And here is the finished look. And if you've made it this far, thanks so much for watching. I've got one quick bonus look that takes literally 30 seconds. All you need to do is twist a couple of sections on one side of your head above your ear and pin them into place with bobby pins. And then you can add any sort of sparkly clip or pins you have. This is great if you want to wear your hair down, but just elevate it a tiny bit or throw in a bit of bling. That's all the hairstyles for today. I hope you found one that will be a great fit for your holiday events this season. And if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what sort of videos you'd like to see in the future. See you later!